If you're struggling to achieve consistent sales in affiliate marketing, this is your moment of transformation. The key to your success might lie in the metaphysical realm. Imagine harnessing the power of the universe to elevate your affiliate marketing success. Sounds magical, right? Metaphysics goes beyond crystals and energies. It's about aligning your inner world with your highest aspirations. Here's the transformative formula. Visualization plus action equals extraordinary results. Envision your success vividly, act with unwavering intention, and watch the universe conspire in your favor. Affiliate marketing flourishes on belief, focus, and vibrant energy. By channeling the power of metaphysics, you can create an irresistible presence that draws in clicks and conversions. Are you ready to unlock the universe's secrets and transform your side hustle into a thriving success? Share and click the link in the description to embark on your journey to affiliate marketing success. Your cosmic adventure begins now.